Well, I don't know how this is gonna go. But we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Thanksgiving. 'Cause they're all the same. They get closer together every year. Well, happy Thanksgiving to ya. Okay, then? Okay, why did I hair in my mouth? Ew. I got hair in my mouth. I'm so sorry. I would sing some more, but ew. I'm sorry. I just spit all over the place. Well, okay then. I can't get it out. Well, okay. Yes! It's a hard enough life up in here with this hair on there. I think I got it. Okay.